Kasi matagal na tayong nasa kanan. Pumunta ng pumunta ang ating politika sa kanan at otoritaryan. Ang kailangan natin ay isang steady na kamay, steady na course of action, at higit sa lahat, ease the Filipino people to a much more centrist and eventually leftist candidates. Unti-untiin natin, wag i-push ang mga bagay na hindi magpapanalo sa mga objectively better candidates. I mean, politics is just a game. Politics is a game. At kailangan natin gawin ang lahat para little by little, we can push for SOGI or abortion or divorce without much friction or head turns. We first need for people in the seat of power to normalize acceptance and open-mindedness sa mga ganitong bagay. They don't have to agree or fervently agree on these things. Pero just the open-mindedness at saka yung acceptance. A air of acceptance and basically kindness. Lest we get bulldozed again by these senatoriables. Yung mga nasa top 12 ngayon. Unahin muna natin na maayos ang bansa. Hindi natin kakayaning i-push sa iisang election sa ngayon ang mga progresibong banta. And step by step,